Knobs, and welcome back to my channel. In today's show, papasalamatan ko lahat ng mga taong nag-greet sa akin, guys. Lahat ng mga Koy Knobs Angel, lahat sila na nag-compile ng aking birthday greetings. And also, this video, I will unbox the gift na aking natatanggap. So napansin niyo, nagtatagalog na ako. Pinipilit ko yung aking sarili na magtatagalog. Dahil may mga nag-request na talaga na magtatagalog na ako, guys. Please bear with me. Because, lisod ka. Ang hirap magtagalog. So, yung lisura, sinuot ko. At saka, meron akong parang nice effect, pero hindi yan effect. It's a window char-char na para kasi kaka-sunset pa lang, it's almost 8 p.m. sa gabi dito, but it's still so bright outside. May sun pa. Mga sunset namin siguro mga 9 p.m. No, 8:30 pa siguro, because malapit na mag-summer, or I think it's already summer. So I would like to unbox my gift today. And also, I would like to feature Calhoun's effort dun sa kanilang lugar sa Olango Island. Kasi dun sila nag-feeding sa mga bata nung birthday ko. And I would like to thank Miss Tatsky for sponsoring. So marami talagang natuwa na maraming mga bata na nakakain nung birthday ko, at saka so thankful for you guys for making that effort for me. So hindi na natin patatagalin pa. So yung first gift na natanggap ko nung birthday ko is this one. This one. A content maker essential vlogger kit. So binili ito ng kapatid ko at saka ng asawa niya. Shout out to Rona and Noah Sterling. Thank you so much for buying me this. So na-unbox ko na to, guys, kasi trinay ko na. So ito yun. It is so nice. Di ko sasabihin kung magkano kasi hindi ko rin alam. And then may light pa siya. Turba-turba. At saka meron siyang filter. At saka meron siyang flicker. Wow! So, ito yung first na natatanggap ko. Thank you so much for this. So guys, if eto na, nakakatanggap din ako ng shoes. 6 pairs of shoes from my cousin, Richard Roth. Thank you so much for giving me a worth $1,000 of shoes, of fashion shoes. Oh my God, I was so happy. Lahat ng ito ay kasyang-kasya ko because, well, I can fit 11 to 12. So I would like also to thank his mom, Auntie Lilia Roth, for delivering the shoes dun sa workplace ng kapatid ko. So the first shoes is this. Look at this. It's a brown boots shoes. So talagang magagamit ko ito sa aking mga picture. It's so nice. I love it. So, meron siyang, it's a leather. So, di ko pa ito nagamit, but it's so nice. Thank you so much, RR, for giving me this. And also an office shoes. Di ko pa rin din ito nagagamit. So, it's so nice, guys. Natutuwa talaga ako sa mga it's Hugo na binibigay ni RR. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And another office shoes na boots. Ito yung talagang gustong-gusto ko, guys, kasi very comfortable ito. At saka meron akong maraming ganito na binili ko sa H&M, and it's really very comfortable. So I like this kind of shoes. And also he gave me a church shoes. So pwede ito sa simbahan. It's very nice for almost everything. For almost every, like, um, every church dress or every church attire. So thank you so much for this, art. Also, he gave me a tennis shoes. See, this is the last pair that he gave me. It's very nice. It's also very comfortable. Ako na ginagamit ko na ito last weekend. So thank you, R. Thank you so much for very, very, very nice gifts that I received in my birthday. And also, guys, hindi lang yun. Nakatanggap din ako ng cake. Yay! From my work bestie. Her name is Angela. Angela, thank you so much, Nurse Angela, for giving me cheesecake. It's a Uncle Tatsu cheesecake, ubi flavor. Oh my god. Thank you so much. And also, hindi lang yun, guys, nakakatanggap na yung gift ko kay Miss Tatsuki. Ipapakita ko yun sa inyo mamaya after this. So, stay tuned. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga natatanggap ko from Miss Tatsuki through Miss Calhoun in Olango Island. Watch this. So ayun, guys, nakikita niyo yung mga lahat ng mga natatanggap ko during my birthday. That was so overwhelming, guys. Thank you so much to the people that, you know, gave something for me for my birthday. And I can say it was the most one of the most happiest birthday I ever had. And also, last thing, my boss gave me a gift that only me and him know. But now, I'm gonna let the world know that he gave me a camera. And this is so nice. It's a digital camera. I love this so much. I'm gonna give this to my son. He gave me this a day before my birthday, and I'm so thankful. And then I was so happy because, well, actually, this was the first gift that I ever received during my birthday week. And after that, in my workplace, pinaano nila ako, guys. Binigyan nila ako ng surprise party. I'm not gonna include the clips here because bawal daw. So I'm just gonna, like, you know, say it that they gave me, and I really appreciate it. I really appreciate the birthday party, the surprise party that they had for me. And yun lang, guys. I think yun lang for now. And then thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time. But guys, I will not gonna premiere this video. I will just upload it and enjoy. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.